I hate to be the one to break this to you, but Formula One is not coming back to India before 2029 at latest. And here are three reasons why I say this. First, being the circuit itself. Both the international circuit is one not ready to host any race as of yet. It does not even have an FIA license, which is a mandate for any country, any track to host a Formula One race. Till the time we actually work on the circuit and get the license is going to take some time. Number two is the cost associated with Formula One. In case you didn't know, any country that wants to host Formula One pays the FIA a certain amount of fee, and that fee is usually between 60 to 80 million dollars. And this is just the base cost that comes with it, because then you have to take care of the legalities, you have to take care of the taxation, and so many other things that are associated with Formula One, because it's a very complex sport. It's not like football. Third, and the most important one, are the logistics associated with it. As I said, Formula One is a very complex sport. It is not just the drivers that are going to come to drive. They come with their pit crews, their engineer crews, and the entire team. So India is not hosting just the athletes, we're hosting an entire ecosystem. For a country that cannot manage to keep dogs and pigeons out of international sporting events, I have no idea how we can think of hosting Formula One. So reality check being, a good fan base and interest is not enough to host Formula One in India, no matter what anyone says.